Your dream, then your kitchen is your heart. To make your heart a happy place, Olive Overseas brings you the latest range of modular kitchens. A kitchen that matches your style and comfort with adjustable spaces. High quality products that reflect the perfect space for your home. Olive Overseas guarantees delightful designs and perfect finishing, not just for your kitchen, but for your entire home. With more than 1,000 designs of door handles for wardrobes and main doors that echoes your personality through your home. Olive Overseas guarantees to bring premium products from designer brands with an assured warranty for all your decor worries. Visit us at Olive Overseas, opposite Himalayan Kanya Abasan Government Housing Society, Eastern Bypass Road, Siliguri, or contact us at 977 500 883. Olive Overseas, your complete home solution.